We're often asked, tell me about downtime. And what people tend to mean by downtime is there an SLA around unplanned downtime or outages? People also want to know about scheduled maintenance, planned downtime, and what's involved there. And that's the subject I want to talk about today. Now, the eagle-eyed amongst you will have noticed that I've got two mugs on the table. There's a green mug and there's a blue mug, and there is some significance in this. Because the way we operate our cloud-based, multi-tenant, contact center as a service solution in terms of the web application is as follows. In each of the data centers, and there are many of those, but pick one data center, there are two banks of web servers or web farms. And they are in the industry known as the blue farm and the green farm. And the significance of that is as follows. We are producing updates to the application software, guess what, weekly. So very small updates, very low risk, created through a continuous integration, continuous testing, agile methodology, several sprint teams working at once, but we're getting ready for doing updates every week. Imagine it's Thursday night. All the live transactions right now are taking place on one of the web farms, the blue one. There's a switch, quite here, and new transactions are coming in, queries and web queries and so on, and they're being routed by the switch to the blue web farm, multiple web servers. We load the new software onto the out of balance, in this case green web farm. It's been a lot of testing by now, by the way. We load it. At the designated moment, we simply throw the switch. All the new transactions will now flow to the new software on the new web farm, or the what was out of balance, now in balance web farm. The blue web farm is now being taken out of balance. There are transactions still running, and they will be allowed to deprecate or finish. And at that point, we have all the web transactions flowing through the new software, but we have a known good state. And on the very rare occasion, and we've been doing this for years, every week, for years, on the very odd occasion when there's something wrong at that point, we have a known good state. We simply flip the switch back to, in this case, the blue web farm. And this process, alternating between in and out of balance web farms, occurs continuously. Thanks for watching.